Once again, thank you so much for your business. We really appreciate it. Now this is the last video and we have saved the best for last. This is absolutely private and closed to the public. It's called AutoSocialBot, and it's going to multiply your traffic and grow your audience by automating your Instagram marketing. I'll show you how it works, but first I need to warn you. Warning: if you're an employee of Instagram, Facebook, or any of its subsidiaries, you are expressly prohibited from purchasing or using our AutoSocialBot software. By continuing to watch this video, you acknowledge that you are not an employee of Facebook or its subsidiaries, and you will keep all information about this software private. Alright, now that that's out of the way, Instagram is currently the hottest social site for acquiring free targeted traffic. They now have 600 million active users and 300 million daily active users. Instagram accounts like these ones have millions of followers and are growing at a rate of over 1,000 followers per day. And you can grow an audience for any niche on Instagram. If you aren't building an Instagram following, you're missing the boat. Why is Instagram such a big deal for marketers right now? Because you can achieve a massive 100% reach on Instagram for every post that you make compared to only 6% reach on Facebook. Plus, Instagram followers engage with content 58 times more than on Facebook and actually take action on posts, such as visiting a website, 75% of the time. Those are huge numbers. AutoSocialBot will automatically follow other accounts that are targeted for your selected criteria, allowing you to build a niche audience. And it'll automatically unfollow the accounts that don't follow you back, so you can keep growing your audience. You can target hashtags, keywords, geolocations, and you can even narrow it down to active and highly engaged Instagrammers by following a specific user's recent followers, recent follows, or recent commenters. You can also maximize your engagement on Instagram by automatically monitoring your live feed for any new posts and then engaging with your audience with zero effort. Yes, AutoSocialBot even automates engagement with your audience. You can increase your followers 200% faster than traditional auto-following methods with our proprietary algorithm that engages the users before following them. In the past, Instagram has been known to shut down auto-follow software. However, that's not going to happen to ours for a few reasons. For one, our software doesn't use their API at all, and it doesn't use proxies, so there's virtually no footprint. Our algorithms and software settings also ensure that the software is not abused, and further reduces the chance of leaving a footprint. Ultimately, we're not doing anything unethical or sneaky. It simply automates the process of what you would normally do manually as an Instagram marketer. The software out there that has gotten people in trouble are the ones that scrape and steal content from other people. We don't do any of that. In a way, this is like a browser similar to Chrome or Firefox with built-in functionality for marketers. They could never ban a browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari from being able to use Instagram because that's simply one of the ways that users interface with the site. Similarly, this software is basically a browser that interfaces with the Instagram site. And finally, we're keeping it completely out of the public eye, which will further ensure that our customers can keep using this tool for the long term. We're also able to revoke the license of anyone who attempts to abuse the system, so we can make sure that no one spoils it for everyone else. So this is a very rare invitation to join our private group of marketers who are using this software. You can use it with unlimited Instagram accounts and easily switch back and forth between all your accounts. We're even including a developer license as part of this exclusive offer. That means that you can also use this for clients and create yet another income stream with this software. Businesses are crazy about building their following right now, and you could charge $500 to $1,000 a month per client just to build their audience. You can quickly and easily manage unlimited profiles with this software. In other words, in addition to building your own following, this is like having your own social media marketing agency in a box. Plus, there are no monthly fees. Other inferior autofollow tools charge monthly fees, so not only is this one better, it's also a lot more affordable because it's a one-time price to join. It's easy to use. After you install the software, you can be up and running immediately. You'll get a tutorial video and a software user guide that you can refer to at any time if needed. Plus, you'll have access to our support desk in case you have any questions. You can literally start seeing results in minutes. This is hands down one of the fastest and easiest ways you'll ever get traffic, leads, and sales. I could talk for an hour about all the features and all the ways that you can profit from AutoSocialBot, but I want to respect your time and keep this short. So Here's the deal. We could easily be selling this automation software on a big ticket webinar for $1,000 or more. You've probably been on some of those webinars in the past. You know we could easily be doing that. But as our way of thanking you for your purchase today, we want to give you a crazy good deal on this secret software so that you can really multiply your traffic and profits. So you can have it for just one small payment of only $77. That's it. This will never be made available to the public, and you won't be able to get this later. It really is now or never. But we are including a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you've got nothing to lose. So go ahead and click the order button now to take advantage of this great opportunity, and you'll have instant access to the secret Auto Social Bot software. Take action now and click the order button below this video. Hey, thanks again. We wish you the best, and we'll see you on the download page.